Welcome to a short tutorial on how to use the new Rediance Clearview technology in Arena 4D, and also our new sky textures for making some brilliant looking fly-through videos. So on the screen here we've got some X-Grids Gaussian Splat data, and as you can see it's got the typical Gaussian Splat floaters all around the trees and the buildings. If we switch to the point cloud view, you can see all the grey and white dots within the green foliage. So to deal with this, we simply select all the points and make a copy. I'll just put a light in here so you can see all the points that have been selected. But we just make a copy of the data, but we make sure we've got the Rediance Clearview option turned on. That turned on, hit copy, and off we go. So this feature is also included in the VPC creator, so when you process a Gaussian Splat file, it will automatically apply the Rediance Clearview technology to it if you so choose. Okay, with that now done, we've got two files, and if we turn off the original, you can see the difference the Rediance Clearview has done to our Gaussian Splat data. It's removed all the floaters from the sky sitting in the trees. So now we can go down between the trees to our pathway. If we turn the original back on, it's just all white. So now we can look up through the trees and see the sky beyond. So this seems a perfect example and time now to go and show you our new sky textures that we can add to our scenes. So we'll turn the sky on, and this is the default setting, a nice bright sunny day with a bit of cloud. However, we want to try something a little bit different. So we call up the sky texture options, and we're going to go and select dusk for this instance. Now we have a nice sunset or sunrise, darker skies, but this creates a slight problem in that our scene was obviously captured on a nice bright sunny day, so it doesn't really fit with the dark skies. So luckily in Arena 4D we can very easily go into the properties of our Gaussian Splat or point cloud and change colour balances, brightness, contrast, RGB values, and get something a little bit more fitting for the time of day. With that done, we now have something more appropriate for the sky. So with that done, let's make a little video of the data. Now we've cleaned up all the floaters, selected a sky texture and colour balance the data. We'll start adding in a few keyframes to an animation, and then we'll render it out, and at the end of this video you can see the final results of what this looks like.